So let's talk about something every content creator wrestles with: time. I mean, really, how much time do we spend just doing research, scouring sources, chasing down facts? It's like this endless rabbit hole, isn't it? And that's where Jellypod's web search makes such a difference. With it, you're not just finding what you already know to look for, but also uncovering those hidden gems, new angles, fresh updates, real-time insights that, frankly, you might have missed otherwise. And it all comes together without derailing your creative focus. It's like having a collaborator who knows what you need before you even ask. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does AI risk making podcasts too generic? Too automated? Here's the secret. It doesn't replace your vision or your storytelling. What it does really is handle the grunt work, so you can focus on what makes your content yours. That unique voice, those compelling narratives, that irreplaceable human touch. Take this one Jellypod user I came across, a film critic, right? They used web search to pull in reviews, news articles, even social media reactions immediately after big releases. Suddenly they're not just reviewing movies, they're starting conversations their audience wants to hear, right as the buzz is hot. Absolutely brilliant. It's innovations like these that remind us AI isn't here to take over the creative process. It's here to free us up for the parts we love most. And honestly, isn't that what every creator dreams about? On that note, we'll wrap it up here. Thanks for tuning in today. And if you're as excited as I am about where AI is headed, well, stick around. A lot more to explore, yeah? Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.